Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. Well guys, the gold market right now stands in the tough times. It's really very sophisticated situation on the gold market. Just by the 1 week action that we had on the previous week, market has changed the situation drastically, because the week before we have discussed in our weekly research that we have rather bullish setup on the weekly chart. We had, if you remember, we had the price above the monthly pivot point, 3 in a row bullish stop grabbers on the weekly chart, and some other bullish patterns. So trend was bullish on the weekly chart, but right now by the action on the previous week, all these moments were vanished, because market has erased the bullish grabbers. As you can see, the market has erased this recent swing up. Market has shifted weekly trend to the bearish. Market has moved below the monthly pivot point. And if we will strictly follow to the technical picture, we could say that trends are bearish on all time frames, monthly, weekly, and daily. Market stands below the significant levels. Market has vanished significant patterns, bullish patterns. So all this point on mostly bearish sentiment on the market rather than bullish. And currently guys, there's just a couple of moments that hold me from the active bearish position. Is first some fundamental data, because we know that somehow, despite this bearish action, despite this really plunge on the gold market, somehow SPDR fund continue to report on shy but stable inflows and growing of the storage of the gold in the fund. A couple of weeks ago was the news that Soros fund has increased the investments in gold mining companies. Also, it's really soon the seasonal trend should shift to the bullish side. That is what about the fundamental part. And technically, a market still stands at the level that keeps, at least theoretically, keeps chances on the possible upward action. If market will fail around 1270 area, in this case we probably will start to talk and think about the 1240. That will be approximately the next target, but breaking through the 1270 could get much more serious consequences rather than just action to the 1240. It could mean to the butterfly on the monthly time frame chart. It could mean to that market could reach the 1180s area or even go below 11 even. So that really could be the significant consequences if market will fail around 1270. But meantime, as market stands here, small chances exist. And why this level is significant? Mostly because market, by standing above this level, market keeps chances on this head and shoulders. So that way, what we have discussed on Friday. Because that's approximately the bottom on the left shoulder, that should be bottom of the right shoulder. Market will hold here and start move high. Well, that will keep at least some theoretical chances that upward action is possible. This level is also significant because take a look, market here has accomplished two different ABCD patterns. First ABCD is right here, the purple line, A, B, C, top, D pattern. And also market has accomplished on Friday this pattern, A, B, C, top, D pattern. Recall what we have said in this point when the market starts to move up. We said it's curious that market hasn't quite reached the targets, and that's a bit worrying sign. So market could return at some moment right back down and hit them, and that finally has happened. So market has tried to move up, failed, and returns right back down. So that's also in agreement with the 1280 VIP support. And all this action, especially this one, and that return, now in the mind of the investors is treated as poor attempt to turn to the upside action. So market has made the challenge to move higher, break to this resistance and failed. And right now in this point, investors just wait what will happen. Whether it will be another challenge, will it be another attempt market to move higher, or that's all, market will fail and just downward action will continue, the bear trend will continue. Because market currently gives nothing to trade immediately, so it's no patterns, no some clear setups that could be traded, nothing. Just important level where market stands right now. Investors will be just wait what will happen around it. Will market keep intriguing for upward continuation, or it will fail and open road for the bearish trend? Recent comments from the investors, especially when the crude oil is also falling, and that the new recession in the European Union becomes more realistic. Now it's all this stuff raises the questions concerning future of the gold market. Since this is could promise this, shadow of the recession in the European Union and the lack of the inflation could mean the negative times for the gold, because most driving factor for the gold is inflation. And the decreasing of the crude oil prices is also point on the possible decreasing of the economical activity around the globe. So that's really tough times right now. So what we could do here on the daily time frame chart, guys, to be honest, I do not see much could be done. Only if you could take some risk and take part in the gambling, whether the market will bounce up from here or not, you can try to take long position with the tight stop, with the hope that market will really bounce up and continue move higher. But this is, guys, will be mostly the gambling, because we do not see clear reversal patterns yet. Another setup that we have, it's also really shy, very short term, we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see small thrust down. As you can see here, we could get maybe a double repo buy. This really could happen, but this is mostly tactical setup. If you will get it, well, you could try to trade it, but that's not very scanning. What is really important for us on the coming week is these resistances. So if market really has bullish intentions and really would like to take another challenge on possible upward action, we need to see the breakout for the significant resistances. First of all, this will be the weekly pivot point. Next, we would like to see the breakout of 1290 confidence resistance. That will give us some confirmation of the serious intentions of the market in the possible upward action. And what we really would like to get is the close above the weekly pivot resistance one. That could mean that on the daily time frame chart we will get the new bull trend if market will close above the weekly pivot resistance one. If market will fail somewhere here, especially at the weekly pivot point, well, that probably will be a significant point not in favor of the bulls. That probably will lead finally to the downward continuation. So as you can see, gold market right now is not very interesting and fascinating from the trading perspective, but still the overall situation here is really significant and important, and it's really we definitely have to keep an eye on this situation, because soon market could clarify the possible direction, since currently it's really stands at a significant point. And in fact, this is the pain or gain situation for the market. Either market will bounce up, will keep chances on the possible upward action, will start move up, or it will fail and this will be the pain, so this will be moved to the 1240.